Title: Insight into Prosthetic Eyes, Procedure, Implications, and What to Expect. TLDR. Researchers have developed a fascinating solution for individuals who have suffered irreversible eye damage. Known as prosthetic eyes, these artificial solutions are designed to enhance appearances and support eye functionality after the affected eye has been removed. The focus remains on cosmetic improvement, not vision restoration. Prosthetic eyes have sparked a significant conversation around health technology and the potential benefits they bring to the table. These artificial solutions are created for people who have suffered permanent damage to their eye, usually due to injuries, glaucoma, eye tumors, or infections within the eye. The prosthetic eye not only improves physical appearance, but also helps retain the functionality of the other parts of the eye, like the proper operation of the eyelid dot. How is this artificial eye designed, you ask? The outer shell of the eye mimics the white of the human eye, while the central area is painted to resemble the iris and pupil, crafting a realistic representation. These intricate details help the prosthetic eye blend with the natural eye, creating a seamless look. Following the removal of the damaged eye, it's often recommended to quickly proceed with the prosthetic eye implantation. This haste is because the prosthetic eye supports other eye functions, a crucial element to the procedure. Two types of surgeries are available for implanting prosthetic eyes, depending on the type you opt for: evisceration and enucleation. Both procedures present a much preferred alternative over an eye patch or bandage for those who have permanently lost sight in one eye and need to have the eye removed. Yet, a crucial aspect for patients to keep in mind is that these artificial eyes are not a vision restoration solution, they are purely cosmetic. They help patients regain a normal appearance but don't return sight in the affected eye. This raises a thought-provoking question: can we ever expect prosthetic eyes to restore vision? Or is the primary purpose of such devices purely cosmetic, destined to remain so? This development serves as a potent reminder of how technology is redefining healthcare possibilities, providing tangible solutions to individuals who previously had limited options. How will this technology evolve in the coming years, and what new innovations might we see in the realm of prosthetic aids? Are you intrigued about the future of artificial eyes and how they might change the lives of people with eye conditions? First seen at Librate,